You gonna poke Doggy's eye out, huh?
You're really good, Teddy. Oh, she's sticking her finger in his eye, isn't she? Teddy, you would be smart enough to move your head, wouldn't you?
Don't poke the doggy's eye out. No, Zoe.
And he's closing.
He's kissing
He
you.
must be closing his head. You like Zoe, Teddy. Oh. Is that your baby?
Don't pull. She's like, his eye's glistening, so she wants to get it, probably. It shines through his fur, doesn't it?
And it's got white around it. Oh. Can you see her face?
Yeah.
Teddy. Is he growling at you? Yeah. What? Teddy.
Hi, baby. Hi. What's Doggy doing? He doesn't mean it when he growls, huh?